Good morning, my dear students. Please take out your Active English book, Chapter 4. Change the sentences using when. We cannot have a drink until we get home. Now, in all these sentences, you have to replace the word until with the word when. And these negative sentences, we cannot have a drink until we get home, you have to change it into positive. We can have a drink when we get home. I cannot buy the pen until I have some money. Now this cannot will change into can. You make it positive. I can buy the pen and replace the word until with when. I can buy the pen when I have some money. You cannot have a meal until I have bought some food. Again, same way, you can have a meal when I have bought some food. We cannot ride the bicycle until it is mended. Change cannot into can. He can ride the bicycle when it is mended. And you have replaced the word until with when. You cannot go inside until the film has ended. You can go inside when the film has ended. She cannot open the door until she finds her keys. Replace cannot with can and until with when. She can open the door when she finds her keys. The bus cannot start until the driver arrives. The bus can start when the driver arrives. Now the next exercise is number 9. Read the example, then join the sentences in the same way. Now these are two separate sentences. We heard the children, they were playing in the park. You have to join both the sentences, omitting the pronouns and joining the words. We heard the children playing in the park. We watched the boys, they were playing football. We watched the boys, omit these two words, they were playing football. We heard an aeroplane, it was flying low over the school. We heard an aeroplane flying low over the school. They watched a man, he was diving into the sea. They watched a man diving into the sea. Can you hear the children? They are singing in the next room. Can you hear the children singing in the next room? Look at that cat, it is climbing the tree. Look at that cat climbing the tree. Now do these exercises in your English grammar notebook. Now take out chapter 5 Active English. Join the sentences using that. Use so instead of very. He ran very quickly. No one could catch him. Now replace the word very with so and join both the sentences using the word that. These are two separate sentences. He ran very quickly, first sentence. No one could catch him, second sentence. Now you have to join both these sentences using the word that, but remember that instead of the word very, you have to replace it with so. He ran very quickly. No one could catch him. He ran so quickly that no one could catch him. It rained very heavily. The water could not drain away. It rained so heavily. You have replaced very with so that the water could not drain away. The car was moving very fast. It could not stop. The car was moving so fast that it could not stop. The children in the choir sang very softly. No one could hear them. The children in the choir sang so softly that no one could hear them. The clerk wrote quickly, I could not read his writing. The clerk wrote so quickly that I could not read his writing. The bus conductor spoke very loudly. Everyone could hear him. The bus conductor spoke so loudly that everyone could hear him. The bus stopped very suddenly. Some of the passengers fell over. The bus stopped so suddenly that some of the passengers fell over. The water rushed down the hillside very quickly. Many people were swept away. Answer would be, the water rushed down the hill so quickly that many people were swept away. I hope you have understood. Please do these exercises in your English grammar notebook. Thank you.